Gopishwar is considered one of the most merciful personalities in Braj. This word is interesting, Gopishwar. Gopishwara in Sanskrit means he whose controllers are the gopis. Gopishwara. Yasyeshvara gopya shanti sa, as well as the controller of the gopis. Gopinam Ishvaraha. The former meaning applies to both Krishna and Shiva, the latter only to Krishna. So when we say Gopishwar, when we're thinking of Lord Shiva, it means he whose controllers are the gopis. If we're saying Gopishwar referring to Krishna, it also refers to Krishna. Krishna he's controlled by the gopis' pure love. But then only he is the controller of the gopis, not Lord Shiva. So it can apply to both. So he's one of the most merciful personalities in Braj. The deity of Gopishwar Mahadev and the other principal deities of Lord Shiva in Braj were established by Lord Krishna's great-grandson, Bhadranabha, 5,000 years ago. This particular deity is worshipped as a regular Shiva Linga during the day, as in other temples of Mahadev. But in the evening, the pujaris dress the deity in a sari with jewelry and ornaments, just like a Braja Gopi. The history of Gopishwar Mahadev is as follows. Krishna is the highest form of all forms of Godhead. He has 4 qualities that not even Narayan possess. Among them are his very sweet pastimes, Lila Madhurya, and his circle of very special, loving devotees, Prema Madhurya. Of all such devotees, the gopis are considered the highest. And of all pastimes, Ras Lilas is supermost. Lord Shiva, therefore, wanted to participate in the Maharas, where Krishna dances and plays with the gopis. Understanding that entering the rasa dance requires a special qualification and mercy, Lord Shiva performed austerities in Braj, and thus was able to please Purnamasi, who is a personification, the spiritual energy, Yogamaya.